Welcome to Life Matters Simplified, your daily dose of wisdom. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of habit stacking, a science-backed technique to help you build multiple good habits effortlessly. Have you ever struggled to make new habits stick? You start strong, but after a few days, motivation fades and you fall back into old routines. What if I told you there's a way to make new habits automatic by linking them to your existing daily routines? That's the power of habit stacking. Stay with me as we break it down, step by step, into an easy-to-follow system that you can start using immediately. Segment 1. What is habit stacking? Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever noticed how certain habits go together naturally? For example, you brush your teeth, then you wash your face. You wake up, then you check your phone. You make coffee, then you grab your morning newspaper. These aren't just random sequences. Your brain links habits together, making them automatic over time. Habit stacking is the science of intentionally building new habits by attaching them to existing ones. Instead of forcing yourself to remember a new habit, you simply stack it onto something you already do consistently. Let's go deeper. Segment 2. The neuroscience behind habit stacking. Our brains run on efficiency mode. They don't like wasting energy on new decisions. That's why old habits feel effortless, while new ones require willpower. This is due to a part of the brain called the basal ganglia, which is responsible for habit formation. When you repeatedly pair two behaviors together, the brain forms a neural link, making the new habit automatic over time. In simple words, if you attach a new habit to an old one, your brain accepts it faster. Here's an example. Let's say you want to start reading more. Instead of saying, I'll read 10 pages daily, a better approach is, after I drink my morning coffee, I will read 10 pages. The coffee drinking habit is already automatic. By linking reading to it, you make reading automatic too. Does that sound doable? Great. Let's now build your personal habit stack. Segment 3. How to build a powerful habit stack, step by step. Follow this 3-step formula to create your own habit stack. Step 1. Identify your anchor habit. Pick an existing habit that you do daily, without fail. Some common examples: brushing your teeth, making coffee or tea, taking a shower, locking the door before leaving, checking your phone in the morning. Your anchor habit will act as a trigger for your new habit. Step 2. Add your new habit using the after/before rule. Frame it like this: after current habit, I will new habit. Before current habit, I will new habit. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will do 10 push-ups. After I pour my morning coffee, I will write 1 line in my gratitude journal. Before I check social media, I will meditate for 1 minute. Notice how each habit is tied to something you already do automatically? This makes it easier to remember and stick with. Step 3. Make it tiny, start small. The secret to making habit stacking work? Start ridiculously small. If you try to add a huge habit, you might get overwhelmed and quit. Instead, lower the entry barrier. Instead of I'll meditate for 20 minutes, start with 1 deep breath. Instead of I'll do 50 push-ups, start with just 1. Instead of I'll write a full journal entry, start with 1 sentence. Once the habit is in place, you can naturally increase it over time. Segment 4. Real-life habit stacking examples. Morning habit stack example. After I wake up, I will drink a glass of water. After I drink water, I will stretch for 30 seconds. After I stretch, I will write 1 gratitude note. After I write my note, I will read 2 pages of a book. Evening habit stack example. After I brush my teeth, I will floss 1 tooth. After I floss, I will review my goals for tomorrow. After I review my goals, I will put my phone on airplane mode. After I put my phone away, I will sleep at 10:30 p.m. Do you see how these flow naturally? That's the magic of habit stacking. Segment 5. Overcoming common challenges. Okay, so we know habit stacking works, but what if life gets in the way? Here are some common roadblocks and how to overcome them. Challenge number 1. Forgetting the new habit. Solution. Set reminders for the first few days. Alarms, sticky notes. Your brain will soon take over. Challenge number 2. Breaking the chain. Solution: if you miss a day, don't stress. Just restart the next day. Never miss twice. Challenge number 3. Losing motivation. Solution: attach an instant reward to your stack. Example: after I finish my evening habit stack, I'll watch my favorite show. Remember, habit stacking isn't about perfection, but consistency. Final thoughts and takeaways. Here's what we learned today about habit stacking. Link new habits to existing ones using the after/before rule. Start small. 1-minute habits are enough to begin with. Use habit chains for maximum impact. If you miss a day, just restart. No guilt needed. Now, I have a challenge for you. Before this episode ends, pick one habit you want to build. Then, attach it to an existing habit and write it in the comments. Example: after I pour my morning tea, I will write one line in my gratitude journal. Let's hold each other accountable. If you found this episode valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join us next time for another dose of wisdom, right here on Life Matters Simplified. Until then, stack your habits, simplify your life, and make growth effortless.